Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll see the answers for all the 1 mark questions from chapter 4, Atomic Structure of class 7th Science first term. First part, choose the appropriate answer. First one, the basic unit of matter is atom. Option B is the right answer. Second one, the subatomic particle which revolves around the nucleus is electron. Option C is the right answer. Third one, dash is positively charged proton. Option A is the right answer. Fourth one, the atomic number of an atom is the number of protons. Option B is the right answer. Fifth one, nucleons comprises of proton and neutrons. Option C is the right answer. Next part 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the smaller particle found in the atom are called electron. Second one, the nucleus has dash and dash, proton and neutron. Third one, the dash revolve around the nucleus. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. Fourth one, if the valency of carbon is 4 and that of hydrogen is 1, then the molecular formula of methane is CH4. Fifth one, there are 2 electrons in the outermost orbit of the magnesium atom. Hence, the valency of magnesium is 2. Part 3, match the following. Valency, that is electrons in the outermost orbit. Neutral particle is neutron. Ion symbol is Fe. Hydrogen is monovalent. Positively charged particle is proton. Next part, fourth one, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. The basic unit of an element is molecule. False. Instead of molecule, atom should come. The electron, second one, the electrons are positively charged. False. Instead of the positively, negatively should come. Negatively charged. Third one, an atom is electrically neutral. Yes, this is true. Fourth one, the nucleus is surrounded by protons. This is false. Nucleus surrounded by electrons. Next, fifth part, complete the analogy. Sun nucleus. இப்போ சோலார்ஸில் சன் எப்படி சென்டராக இருக்குதோ அது மாதிரி அட்டாமிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் நியூக்ளியஸும் சென்டராக இருக்குது. இப்போ சன்னை சுற்றி பிளானட்ஸ் வந்து சுற்றி வருது. அது மாதிரி நியூக்ளியஸ் சுற்றி யார் வராங்கன்னா electrons. So electrons revolves around the nucleus. Second one, atomic number. Here mass number na number of proton, number of neutron. Atomic number na inga number of electrons. Number of electrons. Third one, K potassium na C on the carbon symbol, chemical symbol. Next, sixth part, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. The option tharla, but we'll write. First one, assertion, an atom is electrically neutral. This is sorry, true. Reason na atoms have equal number of protons and electrons. This true. Appa assertion and reason both are true. Reason explains the assertion. So assertion true, reason true, then reason explains the assertion. Second one, assertion, the mass of an atom is the mass of its nucleus. So mostly this is true. Reason, the nucleus is at the center. This is also true, but reason is not correct explanation. Correct explanation of assertion. Third one, assertion, the number of protons or the number of neutrons is known as atomic number. False. Number of protons or the number of electrons. So assertion is wrong. Reason, the mass number is a sum of protons and neutrons. Reason is correct. So assertion is wrong, but reason is correct. Thank you, students.